I'm JC and I'm here to present my new project, Apostal. I founded several startups, from early web to blockchain, and with an experience within the United Nations. At UPU, the UN Agency for the Postal Sector, I saw delegates struggling with legacy banking infra, high inflation, currency instability. That was 10 years ago, and nothing's changed yet. Indeed, the global cross-border parcel business is still running on outdated financial rails. When you send a parcel abroad, it goes through multiple hands. You pay a stamp, they share the value, and posts need to settle funds between countries. Settlement pass through multiple correspondent banks, triggering fees, delays, trapped liquidity, and currency risk. And now, the global system itself is shifting, causing fragmentation. Today, stable coins change that. At the residency, I decided to launch a new project based on this context and my experience with the UN, Apostal, with a great fit with the XRP Ledger. Apostal sits at the settlement layer, same clearing logic, net positions, issue coins, executions, final in seconds. We are building atomic settlement rails, no correspondent banks, no treasury capped, no FX exposure. This paved the way for programmable value sharing. We start with post in direct contact with CEOs. Energy and trade will follow. If this vision resonates, happy to expose synergies. Fragmented world, stable rails, programmable money. Thank you.